Hello, my name is Yusuf and welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we will be looking at the different places in a city. So, if you're ready, I am ready. Let's start. Airport. An airport is the place you go when you want to travel by plane to another city. For example, if I'm looking to travel from London to Sydney, Australia, where do I go to? I go to the airport. Okay, fantastic. A bakery. A bakery. A bakery is where you buy bread and cakes. So, for example, if my birthday is coming up and I want to invite my friends over to my house, where do I go to get a nice cake? I go to the bakery. Yeah, very good. A bank. A bank is where you deposit or save your money or withdraw cash. So, if I'm working and I have saved some money, where do I go? I go to the bank to put my money in the bank, okay? And if I want to buy something, say for example, a nice pair of shoes, I can take the money or withdraw the money from the bank. All right, good. Bookstore. You can buy books, newspapers, and magazines in a bookstore. Okay, so for example, if I'm looking to buy a new novel by J.K. Rowling on Harry Potter, usually I go to a bookstore and buy from there. All right, fantastic. Butchers. So, what do we get in a butcher's? At a butcher's shop, you can buy meat such as sausages. You could also buy lamb. You could also buy chicken. Yeah, fantastic. A bus stop. A bus stop is where you can ride a bus to another part of the city. For example, if I live in, say, a place called Acton Town in London, and my work is in White City, so the fastest way for me to get to work would be to take a bus, okay? And sometimes it is cheaper than the train, all right? Cafe, one of my favorite places in the world. So what do we get in a cafe? You can buy coffee, tea, or a tasty sandwich at a cafe. A cafe is also a nice place to meet your friends. If you're in business, to have a nice business meeting there. Or as a student, you just want to sit by yourself and type away your homework or your coursework. All right, good. Another important place in a city is a car park. What do we do in a car park? It's a place where you leave your car for a period of time. So if you're going to the mall and you know you're going to do shopping for an hour or two or maybe three, so the best thing to do would be to put your car in a car park. All right, fantastic. Another interesting place in a city, don't you think? Yeah, a department store. What is a department store? A department store is a large shop that sells clothes and household appliances. So if you're looking to buy a nice t-shirt or a nice suit, sometimes a belt, or for the house if you're looking to buy a nice, for example, refrigerator or fridge as we like to call it, or a TV set, the best place to go to would be a department store because they have a lot of items, sometimes on good sale. All right, very good. The gym. Okay, so the gym, of course, is where you go to stay healthy and fit. So for example, if you're slightly overweight or you think you want to release some of your stress the best place to go would be to the gym and to pick up some weights, to do some jogging, maybe to do some boxing, yeah, or even to do some swimming, right? So I love the gym, and I would encourage all of you out there, if you haven't joined the gym, join your local gym, and be like this guy in the picture, very healthy. One of the most quietest places on the face of the planet, the library. What do we do in the library? A place where you can study and borrow books for a short period of time. So if you have an exam coming up and you do not want to study at home, or you want to be far away from all distractions, the best place would be to go to the library. Yeah, to sit there with a nice cup of coffee or tea and to completely zone out, as they say. All right, and to get those good grades. Excellent. The post office. It's a place where you can buy stamps, send letters, or parcels. Yeah. For example, if your brother is living in another part of the town or another part of the city, and his birthday is coming up, and you want to send him a nice gift, a parcel, the best place to do would be through the post office. Yeah. All right. Now, all of us have been through a school. So what is a school? A school is a place where teachers help students learn new things about life. Okay? A school is a place where you get to know things about the environment, things about how people behave, things about how governments came to place, things about almost everything, really. Yeah? So it's important to take your education very seriously. All right? Good. Now, if you were to look at the picture, he's clearly happy, isn't it? Yeah, he's happy shopping with his mobile phone. Where is he? He's in a supermarket. Okay, you can buy fresh vegetables, fruit, meat, and household items such as dishwasher soaps and many more things at a supermarket. Yeah, so we all go to a supermarket maybe once, maybe twice a week to buy our daily things for the week. Yeah, food, vegetables, water. Yeah, and sometimes it is a bit expensive. Now, a train that goes under the ground, what do we call it? An underground train. So this is the underground train station. It's a place where the train stops for passengers. Yeah. So this is a picture of an underground train in London. Most of Londoners, they take the train to work, to visit their families, and many more things. Yeah. So it's an important part of city life. Okay. In America, by the way, they don't call it the underground train, they call it the subway. It's not the food franchise, it's the train. Subway, train. Finally, a place that you and I have been to when we were young, the zoo. The zoo is a place where you can see birds and animals from all around the world. It's a place where you can see the lions, the cheetahs, the leopards, the zebras, the giraffes, the elephants, the monkeys, and the hippopotamuses, all in one place. Yeah. Make sure you don't feed those animals. Yeah. All right. Fantastic. Thanks for watching today's vocabulary lesson on the different places in a city. Do not forget to press the like button if you have gotten value out of this. Do not forget to subscribe, and please share our lessons with your friends, with your colleagues on the different social platforms, on Facebook, on Instagram, on the TikTok, on the Twitter. Okay, and I look forward to seeing you on another lesson. Take care, have fun, goodbye for now.